Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for Tassel Tuesday. This is a special one hosted by Crafting with Jovi and Normalisa, the Misfit Florida Crafter. This is Gnome-tastic Tuesday. Last week's theme was to Ghost Gnome, so if you missed any of the videos of all the collaborators, I'll put their links down below and I'll put my video at the end of this one. So this week we're doing, as you can see, we have our fall sign, our thankful little gnomes here, and it is a Thanksgiving theme tassel. Now if you've seen my video last week, I made this really cute little gnome dressed in his little Halloween ghost costume, and it was small. I think I may have gone a little overboard this week for this project. It is, let's just say, oversized. So I tried to do a tutorial. Some of my crafty friends had requested that maybe I could show the next one of how I made it. I'll put a clip up here to show you some of the clips that I did try to film, but at the end I wasn't really happy with how that first came out. It was really too plump. I did want my gnome to be a little plump and fuller in terms of the hair and stuff, but I didn't like the coloring, so decided to go again back to square one and scratch that project. So hopefully this qualifies as a tassel, and this was inspired by these stickers. So the coloring and the look here is the inspiration for our tassel today. So now let's show you what that looks like. So here it is, guys. Like I told you, this is oversized. This is my Gnome-tastic tassel, and inspired again by that sticker from DT. So we have our gnome. I don't know if you can see the little braids on the sides. He has a pumpkin latte here on the middle. We have his cute little beanie that curves that way, and we have our fall leaves, and it says grateful and very thankful. And then I have my little mesh tube here with some trim or ribbon and a little lobster claw clip there for our tassel. We also have a few maple leaves, artificial ones, and acorn right there on the top. So here is our little sticker, and then we have that little bend over here. We have our little drink. The only part that's missing are the arms. But I think because it's a tassel, I thought I'd leave that off. And what we've done is we've also hung him around by our living room, and I'll probably use him as a decor, obviously, because this is way too big for a tassel. But that is the project share for Tassel Tuesday. This is our Thanksgiving gnome. I hope you guys check out the other collaborators and the hosts, Crafting with Jovi and Normalisa, have wonderful shares of what their gnome tassels look like, and they have wonderful tutorials as well on how to make them. This has been a learning process for me too. I usually make journals and other paper projects, so this was a fun project to make that's, you know, a little outside of my comfort zone. My daughter Emmy loved the first gnome that I made, so she went ahead and put this girl in her room. But this is what that looks like. So you can see it's much too big, and I had put the wrong color of yarn here because it doesn't match the orange. But that's the other big one. It's too big. Hope you guys enjoyed this Tassel Tuesday Gnome-tastic Tassel project share. Stay tuned for next week. I'm definitely going to downsize our tassel gnome, and the theme for next week is shabby chic. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.